Right. Good morning, students. Hopefully, all of you are doing well and are in good stead. Having done the subdivided bar diagram, right? Component bar diagram, you can say so. A comparatively similar version of the same is referred as percentage bar diagram. The only difference being, students, that we have to express the facts in percentages rather than in absolute real values. So, absolute real values, the previous one, component, the percentage values represented through percentage bar diagram. So I just take an example on similar count students, number of students in various streams in a school. There is humanities, there is science, and there is the other one, commerce. So you have in the year 2017, 200, 300, 500, total 1000 students as such. I'll convert the same information in the percentage form. So what I do, I just write the year and write 17, 18, 19 for my own working note and present the percentage form of it. So 200 is how much of 1000? 20%. Humanities, but expressed in percentage form. 300 is how much of 1000? 30%. Science and the commerce. Similarly, it will go 50% for this one, total being 100% as such in the percentage form. Am I clear? Similarly, I'll do the for the next year 18. 600 is how much of 1500? It's 40%. 300 is 20%. And the other one is also 40%, the total being 100. Clear? Come to the last one. 800 is how much? 40%. 30%. And again 30%, the total being 100% as such, which you should always have the answer for percentage bar diagram. Clear? So 100% in totality is the value represented as such. Now the same we'll portray through our percentage bar diagram. So for the year 17, again my rectangle which will be made for representation will be of 100%. Clear? And I'll again go. So just check it. 20%. First one. 20 plus 30 is 50. That is representing the science segment. Right? And remaining 50% will be taken care by the other one. That is the last stream. Clear? So I hope all of you are understanding it, what we are trying to work it out. We can also present the same thing in the different presentations. So this one is for one of them, right? That is your humanities. Science is represented through the cross, right? And the last one, the commerce, is represented by the circles. Am I clear? Let's move ahead to the next one, students. The next year also, almost on the similar plot, we'll draw it. 100% for the year 18 with again irrelevant since it is a one-dimensional bar diagram. I will draw it simultaneously for 19 also. So if I just check it around, students, I'll get the answer as required. Again, for first 18, 40%. So where 40 plus 20 makes it 60. And remaining 40 is represented here. So this one is my second one. The first part is representing these lines as humanities, and again the red one being encircled. I hope all of you are getting it, right? So multiple pen beings used to convey the point. Come to the last year. Again, in the last year, for 2019, 40%, I'll start with, right? Followed by 30%. So 40 plus 30 makes it 70, and the remaining will be representing the red circles, that is commerce. So a measure through which what we can do is we can present the facts not in absolute value but in percentage is what you call it as percentage bar diagram. I hope it's quite clear, students. Percentage bar diagram wherein the the skyscrapers will be of equal height because they have to represent 100%, but how much is the percentage of each of them, that is what is represented through this particular presentation. Am I clear? So percentage bar diagram, a pretty good measure of presenting the things if you don't want to present in the absolute forms. Okay, thank you. You can also present, students, index as required, right? Index, if you remember, for each of them, you can have a separate index representing. An index you can represent the commerce stream, the science stream, and the